Hi, my name is Angelica, and I'll be showing you how to use Adobe Firefly Generative AI for Everyone. This is a resource that allows us to use AI as our resource to type in words, and this AI helps us create our words into pictures where we can use it as for whatever we would like, as showing an example or making problems for teachers and students. But for this case, we'll be working with AI to create images for our PBL project, which is identify and record changes in a plant's life cycle and how they're similar to our own life. So you should have access already to AI. So you click Get Adobe Firefly for free, and you can start by typing pictures. So let's say I want a plant growing cycle. Just delete all of this. But generative. And here on the left side, you can see there's many options where you can put click effects, materials, themes. An example can be, let's put painting. So this is very descriptive. Let me put, so we can put planting with kids. These are very cool, as we can see. And this resource, I was first shown this resource in one of my math classes, where our professor, he introduced us to this Adobe Firefly where we can create projects and questions for our classroom, which was really cool because we had access. Plant life stages in the forest. Also, if you don't like a picture, you can keep typing and typing until you get the picture you want. Also, you can edit your picture if you want to add stuff. I'll show you in a minute while we get these. Oh, so I like these. See? But I'm looking for a plant life cycle. So we can put, click edit. Let's put a sun. I don't think it's, maybe it'll work since I like it. Okay. So here we can see a plant life cycle. You can also create one by one if you want to add when it's a seed, growing little by little by little, and then also to create pictures with people in it, which is really cool. And also you can remove stuff if you don't like it. So we can put a flower right here. Let's put flower. It's the same style, but it's nice. Okay. So this is how you use generative AI, and you can download right here to your computer and put it in a slideshow, or you can print it also, which is really cool. So I really hope y'all can use AI, generative AI, because this is a great resource that's out there for us and for the students. Thank you.